If you need to cancel a pending transaction on Binance, follow these steps to ensure you can stop the transaction before it completes. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Access the Binance website or app and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Orders section. Once logged in, find the Orders tab on the main menu. Click on it to view your open orders and transaction history. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. In the Open Orders section, look for the transaction you wish to cancel. This will typically be listed under spot orders or futures orders depending on the type of transaction. Step 4. Select the transaction. Once you find the pending transaction, click on it to view more details. This will show you the specifics of the transaction, including the status and options available. Step 5. Click Cancel. Look for the Cancel button next to the transaction details. Click on it to initiate the cancellation process. Confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure the transaction is stopped. After following these steps, your pending transaction should be successfully cancelled. Always double check your orders to ensure they are processed as you intend.